Hi, Simon here. This is part 2 of bracket 3. I forgot to watch the recording software and it inadvertently stopped on me. So this is just a continuation of the bracket I was drawing. I've just set the dimensions for the sketch. So let's roll back to what you've seen. Okay, so I just made the sketch and I protruded a little bit further inwards into the centre section of the part. Just click on Sketch, Extrude Boss Base. I'll show you what I'm doing. Okay, so 3mm forward, direction 2, 3mm reverse, and OK. Just going to roll around the front, show you what I was doing. The reason I had to protrude this through is because if I had just extruded it previously along this line, there would have been a tiny gap where the points come up to a near zero thickness. It would be less than a millionth of a millimeter, but the computer calculates it down to the sort of tolerances, so it just throws a few errors. So what I've done is I've just made it say that it goes through and it's built up material in that point. Okay, we're looking pretty good so far. We need to add some bolt holes, which I'll do now, and we'll consider putting a larger centre hole in the middle because something is suggested in here. Just see it a bit there. Even though there's no dimension on it, so it's a little bit hard to work out what size it is, but we're just going to try that later. The first thing we'll do is we'll punch these holes in. They're 8mm in diameter and they're 9mm from each corner. So let's do that and then we'll come back to that centre boss. Excuse that noise, I've got posters falling down in the background. Okay. Sketch. Just clicking the plane that I want to sketch on, which is the top of the bracket. 1 and 2. Okay. Circle tool. And we're just going to hold down the Control key and click on my 4 circles. Not too sure what's jumping all over the show like that. Okay, so I've got my 4. Okay, 4 circles selected, and I'm going to say they are all equal. Okay. Now I'm going to say that this one here is in line with this one vertically. This one here, come here, and this one here are aligned vertically. Now this one here and this one here are aligned horizontally, and this one here and this one here horizontally. Okay. Now what I should be able to do is just click on this, click on the edge, drag it in. Okay. 9mm, then this to the centre. Okay, so this dimension will dimension this one. It will also pull this one down. So what I need to do now is just set an edge one for this one. Okay, and one for here to here. Okay. So this one here defines both of these. That one defines both of those. That one defines both of these, and this one defines both of those. Okay. So it should be good. Extrude. Exit sketch. Go to features. Now I'm going to use the extrude cut tool. Click on that. Click on my last sketch. And I am going to say through all for my cut. And we go OK. That's done. So I'm just going to roll this over to isometric. It's starting to look quite like our drawing. Okay, I'm quite happy with that. Okay. That's right. Okay, so I put this hole in the middle. I'm just going to roll it over on the face, do a sketch, normal 2, draw a circle, this, drag it out, and I'll go 2-dimension it. Make this 6mm thick, this lip, this internal lip, 6mm thick, so between the 20mm, if I want a 6mm step here, I'm going to make this 12mm diameter. No, that's not right. Then make 8mm step. Okay. I'm just going to make it 4mm. Okay, exit sketch. And then we'll just use extrude cut through that. And we'll go through all again. Okay. Just checking a couple of things. Yeah, that's the right height. Okay, let's roll it over. Okay, I'm going to conclude that as bracket is finished. Okay, I've just saved it. Just got part name, bracket 3, and we're done. Thanks for watching.